Welcome. Go ahead and stand with your feet, outsides of your feet shoulder width apart. Your knees are soft. Relax and elongate that tailbone. Remember that weight. Elongate through the top of your head. Lower your chin just slightly and breathe fully into your belly. Relax your shoulders. Never be afraid to adjust yourself as you need to. And we're going to begin by bringing our arms up and exhaling out. Remember to stay flat on your feet. Up and out. Up and whoosh it out. And now we're going to shake. Nice and relaxed. Feet are flat on the floor. Breathing as is comfortable for you. This is called shaking the bones and just let everything go. Bouncing through your body. Go ahead and pause, arm up, and exhale. Inhale up. Inhale up. And shake one more time. Shaking becomes much more comfortable the more you learn to relax through your body. So just know that as you relax more and more, it will start to feel really, really good. Oh, great job. Let your legs shake them out. Let them relax a bit. Come back into a nice posture. Outsides of feet level with the outsides of your shoulders. Elongate that tailbone. Reach up. Breathe. Place your hands just below your belly button. At that level, palms are facing up, close to your body. Inhale through your nose. Bring your palms up to about chest height. Roll them over. Exhale through your nose as you bring them back down. And just allow yourself to relax your energy. Inhale, bring them up. Exhale down. And if you can't inhale and exhale at this moment that long, then do what you can, and you'll get more and more able to elongate your breath. And exhale down. Now allow your palms to face each other. Again, at the lower part of your belly. Allow your arms to be nice and elongated, your elbows to be relaxed, your armpits to be nice and open, your fingers are soft, and the points in the center of your palm, they face each other. We're holding an energetic ball here. This is your energy. And as you inhale, allow your focus to move into that energy ball and sense it. Sense what is your energy. As you inhale, allow the ball to expand just a little bit. Relax through your wrists and fingers. And as you exhale, allow the ball to gently contract just a little bit. And do that completely at your own pace, in and out, breathing in and out through your nose if possible. Stay relaxed through your arms, through your wrists, through your fingers. Relax your knees. Your feet are forward, and just be mindful of how you're standing. Beautiful. Now when you're ready, you're going to take the ball and you're going to just roll it. You're going to just play with the energy ball a bit. You're just going to roll it, keeping the palms of your hands facing each other. Roll it in whatever direction you want, but keep it low in your body. Don't be rolling it up here. Okay? Keep it nice and low. This exercise helps to nourish our adrenal energy, nice and low. And change directions when you're ready. Nice and slow, you can move through your whole body. You might see colors, you might feel tingling, you might feel some heat, you might feel coolness, you might feel a magnetic feeling. That's all possible and normal, and it's also totally normal not to feel anything at all, so don't worry about that. I have no doubt that you will at some point. And come on back to the center. And I'd like you to take this beautiful ball of yours and roll it into your belly now. So your palms are going to go down in front of you. They're facing your belly, and you're rolling it down and in. Storing this beautiful energy down and in, down and in, down and in. Place your hands on your lower belly. Breathe for a moment. Feel your belly. And you're going to take one hand, and it doesn't matter which hand it is. And you're going to leave that on your belly. You're going to take the opposite hand and you're going to drop it to your side. And this hand is in the most beautiful blue water. And you're going to inhale and gather that beautiful blue water. And as you exhale, you bring that energy into you. Hand stays on your belly, and you gently drop the other hand into the beautiful blue water. Gather that energy. Bring it into your body. Other hand. This water for me right now is a beautiful warm water, but it can be cool. It can be any temperature that feels lovely for you. And I inhale and I gather. And I exhale and I bring it in. Keep this nice and slow and really experience this. Gather. Exhale, bring it in. Beautiful, beautiful dark blue. Inhale, gather. Exhale, bring it in. And last one, you're going to inhale, gather, and exhale, bring it in. And I'm inhaling and exhaling through my nose. Place your hands on your belly for a moment and just breathe into your belly and feel the warmth of your hands, or the coolness or the tingling or whatever it is you might be feeling, and allow that to move into your belly. And that energy is moving into an energy center in your body called the lower Dantian, which is this beautiful energy center which holds and nourishes our energy. And then you're going to allow your hands to drop, palms face up, inhaling. Turn the palms over and exhaling. We're just recovering our breath, recovering our energy, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. And last one, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Beautiful. Place your hands on your belly one last time. Bring your feet closer together, and you're going to take that beautiful energy that you've gathered, rub your palms, and we're going to finish by just washing our face. Taking that energy and washing it in our face, massaging our face. And last time, just bringing it up through my hair and scalp and off. Beautiful. If your legs are a little bit tense, just shake them out. And I will see you next time. Have a beautiful day.